Hi guys, I'm Chubby Deigh and welcome to my channel. If you are new, please do click that red subscribe button so that you become part of the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified every single time I upload, and please do follow me on Instagram. In today's video, I'll be doing this eye makeup look that you guys asked for in one of my vlogs. So let's get straight into the video. As you all can see that I've done my unrelated eyebrows off camera, so let's get into this. I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory as my eyeshadow base. So I'll be using this eyeshadow palette from Shein. I'll be taking this purple shade right here. I'll be applying it right here. Then I'm taking this shade and applying it just on top. I will kind of blend it with the purple one so that there is no harsh lines or demarcations. And I will take this kind of brownish orangish shade. I will apply it here. If you hear any noise, it's the neighbors and I can't control it, but I hope the mic kind of helps with the sound, the external sound. Then now we're cutting the crease, so I'll be using this LA Girl Pro Concealer again. I'm using a flat brush to accomplish that. So I have the concealer at the back of my hand and I'm just gonna dip in the brush and kind of cut the crease. And then we are done applying concealer. Guys, if you want a more detailed video on how I cut my crease, I have it on my channel, or I'll just link it on the cards. I'll be taking this shade. I'm gonna just pack it in here. This shade looks the same as the concealer. In the middle, I'll be using this shade right here. Just gonna put it in the middle. As you can see, when I apply the shade, I'm not saying like it will end here a straight line. I just kind of blends while like patting it in so that it blends with the other color. I'm going back to this purple as my outer corner shade. As you can see, it's kind of simple, right? Simple. If you really want to make this side smoky, more smokier, then you can use a black shade, but I love it like this. Since this video is more focused on the eyes, I will time lapse the face, doing my face, and every product that I'm using on my face, I'll link it down on the description box. Please do check it out. So we're coming back to the eyes, and for my waterline I'll be using this pink shade right here. And for mascara I'll be using this mascara from Essence, which is Lash Princess. For my inner corners I will take this shade right here, which is a pink shimmer, and I'll just apply it on my inner corners. So I got my eyelashes from AliExpress. This is the final look. That was simple. For every product that I've used, I'll definitely write it on the description box down below. Please do check it out. I really love how everything turned out. And guys, one thing about this look, I've been trying it. Probably this is the third time I try filming this look, and this time I really love how everything turned out. So please don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down below the kind of videos that you really want to see, and most importantly, turn on the notification bell so that I get notified every single time I upload. Please do follow me on Instagram. Bye.